In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deadlines with Excel visualization. This method uses conditional formatting, so Excel can automatically highlight deadline dates as they approach or pass. It is a simple way to make your project schedule easier to scan, even when you have many tasks at once. First, select the project deadline cell range B2 to B4. On your screen, click and drag across those cells, so they are highlighted. Make sure you are selecting only the cells that contain the deadline dates you want to monitor. This matters because conditional formatting will apply to exactly the range you choose, and selecting the correct cells prevents formatting from appearing in places you did not intend. Next, you will move to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look at the top of your Excel window for the navigation area called the ribbon, and click the Home tab if it is not already active. The Home tab is where Excel places many common tools, including formatting options. This step sets you up to create the rule that will control when the cells change color. Once you are on the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. After you click it, you will see a drop-down menu with different formatting options. This is the place where you can tell Excel how to visually respond to certain conditions, like a date being earlier than today. Take a moment to hover and confirm you are in the Conditional Formatting section. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. You are choosing this option because it lets you build a custom condition instead of using a preset. When the new formatting rule window opens, you will be able to specify exactly what Excel should check and what it should look like when the condition is met. Now, you need to choose the rule type that focuses on the cell contents. Select Format Only Cells that contain. This tells Excel to evaluate the value inside each cell, which is perfect for date-based deadlines. After selecting that rule type, set the rule to use cell value criteria. Configure it so the condition is cell value less than, and then set the comparison to equal sign today at A. In plain terms, Excel will check whether the date in each selected cell is less than today's date. If it is, then the cell should change formatting. Notice that you are using the Today function, which always returns the current date. That means the highlighting will update automatically as days pass. Notice PAMI. Once the comparison is set, click the Format button. The Format option is where you choose the visual styling that Excel will apply when the condition is true. When the Format Cells window appears, look for the Fill settings. Choose a red fill color to make the deadline stand out clearly. After you pick the red fill, click OK to confirm the formatting choice. Then, in the new Formatting Rule window, click OK again to apply the rule to your selected range. At this point, Excel will immediately evaluate the dates in B2 through B4 and apply the red fill to any cells where the deadline is earlier than today. To finish, look at your spreadsheet and check the results. The visual change should match the rule you defined, with overdue deadlines highlighted in red. This makes it much easier to spot tasks that may need attention right away, and it reduces the need for manual updates. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.